Hello, my name is Yin Chiu, and I'm the marketing director of Flash Marketing Experts. And today with me, I have Mr. Helmut Flash, the author and founder of the Unadvertising Marketing Concepts. Hello, Helmut.
Hi, Yin.
Hi. So today, I want to ask you a question, which is, what is the biggest fear that small business owners, dentists, doctors have towards expanding their business?
That's rather simple. It's that their marketing program or whatever it is they do, their expansion program, hiring a new person, whatever it might be they do, which they haven't done before, that it might not work out. That's their biggest fear.
Okay, but isn't that true that if you try something new, it might not work out? Isn't that true?
Well, that is of course true. That in fact, the most successful people on this planet, from Bill Gates to Mr. Jack Welch, they will tell you that at the best, they say, written in books, that only 1 in 4 of their decision is a good one.
Oh, really? 1 in 4?
Well, something like that,
okay.
yeah.
Wow.
And now those are the super people.
Yes, yes. I thought they would have done, maybe 80% things right.
No.
Oh, wow.
That's actually what most people believe. It's a little bit like with Babe Ruth. He had more strikeouts than anyone else in the league.
That's true.
And yet he's the most famous guy, the most super guy with the most home runs.
Wow. So what's the lesson then we should take away from this?
We got to strike. I mean, we got to hit.
Right.
We got to swing.
Swing. Okay.
We got to swing. We got to swing. In fact, one of our clients many years ago, the very thing, he did expand his business and things went very well. It was one of my first clients some 17 years ago. And he said, Helmut, one of the most important things I learned. Do you know what it is? And I kind of like, well, it's how to market with no money and all those type of little things. And he says, no, he says, here's the most important thing. I learned to stop doing things and delay things and procrastinate things because of fear they might not work out.
Wow.
Because even with all this careful planning, still most of it doesn't work out. So I might as well go and do more things, and wholly and behold, by doing so I seem to be stepping on lots of good things. And he even claimed that because of it he makes less mistakes than when he is so careful.
That's quite incredible.
Yeah.
Right. Good. So let's give our audiences more resources to help them to expand in the year 2010, shall we?
We have lots of them on our website,
yes.
right below here. Tremendous amount of short videos like that, even some longer ones. And yes, see you there, I guess.
See you there.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.